Columnar file formats store structured data in a column-oriented way. The columnar file formats provide an efficient way to store data to be queried by SQL on Hadoop engines. The advantages of the columnar over row-oriented formats are they make it efficient to scan only a subset of columns. If a query accesses only a few columns of a table, the input-output can be drastically reduced compared to traditional row-oriented storage, where you are forced to read entire rows. Second advantage is organizing data by columns. The chunks of data of the same type are stored sequentially. Encoding and compression algorithms can take advantage of data type, knowledge, and homogeneity to achieve better efficiency both in terms of speed and file size. Many SQL on Hadoop engines exist nowadays along with file formats designed to accelerate the data access and maximize the storage capacity. There are general components used in defining the columnar file format and storage. These components are, the first one is block. This is a HDFS block and the meaning is unchanged for describing this file format. The file format is designed to work well on the top of HDFS. Second one is file. A HDFS file that must include the metadata for the file. It does not need to actually contain the data. Third one is row group. A logical horizontal partitioning of data into rows. There is no physical structure that is guaranteed for a row group. A row group consists of column chunk for each column in the data set. Fourth one is column chunk, a chunk of the data for a particular column. They live in a particular row group and are guaranteed to be contiguous in the file. Fifth one is page. Column chunks are divided up to into pages. A page is conceptually an indivisible unit in terms of compression and encoding. There can be multiple page types which are interleaved in a column chunk. These portions of column data are usually called column chunks. They allow filtering of unneeded columns by query while reading the file. Finally, data in column chunks is split into pages which are indivisible unit for encoding and compression. Because values in column chunk share the same data type, encoding algorithms can achieve a more efficient representation. The encoded output is then compressed with a generic compression algorithm. While the column-oriented storage strategy is used to filter out unnecessary column data for a query, indexes are used to filter out row groups. They are usually placed in front of each row group so that by just reading the index, the entire row group can be immediately skipped. This is only possible when the query execution engine uses predicate push-down optimization. There are various organizations which provide columnar file and its storage. Apache provides ORC and Parquet. One of the provider is Vertica. Vertica also provides big data products and tools. Let's learn about Vertica in brief.
I could have.